Welcome back. Now, in order to repurpose your video content into text, you can start by making sure that you have your videos on YouTube, whether or not they're unlisted or public. You can then go to your YouTube channel. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the video that we want to repurpose. And we're going to go to the watch page. We get to the watch page, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this right-hand side. We're going to look for these three dots. And then we're going to click Open Transcript. Once we have the open transcript, we're just going to copy and paste it into a Word document. We're going to copy it. And then we're going to move this content into either a text file or a Word file. Now, if you do it this way, you're going to find that the timestamps are going to make this a little difficult. So what you can do is you can go back to YouTube. You can click Toggle Timestamps, and that'll get rid of the timestamps. And then you can go through the same process and you can cut all of this information into a document. Copy it and then paste it into either a Word document or a Notepad file. And we'll do that right now. And now we have an editable document that we can begin to work with to edit into text for Kindle and or Create Space. And we took it direct from the video. So we can do this one at a time. For instance, if you have one video, that can be one chapter, or if you have a long video, that can be a short Kindle book. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.